Eden has some friends that are 21 and still have no desire to drive.
I felt very nervous and self-conscious when I started driving.
I was really anxious for the test.
Driving other people is pretty scary too.
The percentage of 16-year-olds with a driver's license in the U.S. has fallen around 21% in the last 39 years. Growing anxiety is a contributing factor.
Eden was really nervous at first, but over a period of time, she's gotten a little more confident, and that makes us excited. So we notice that she looks in both mirrors, takes her time.
One thing that's made me be a more confident driver is definitely the safety features.
Even if I'm listening to my music, I can hear the car beep beep if I'm drifting into another lane, and that helps keep my attention on the road.
I was more excited to learn how to drive. It didn't scare me until a little bit later when I had driven on the freeway. What really helped me was that car has cameras, so when I was on the road, I could see what other cars were close to me, if it was safe enough to change lanes. Also, wanting to be able to go places on my own, the excitement of that also helped me push through my fear.
Since Orlando is a new driver, we want him to stay around our neighborhood. Having something like geofencing on the Blue Link app gives me peace of mind to know where he is.
Yeah, I'm excited that Hyundai has the application, see how she's doing.
The Blue Link app offers an extra set of eyes to monitor her driving decisions, and that gives me much more confidence that she's making safe choices.
If you do your job properly, then your kid grows up to be a responsible, capable adult. But it's still hard because you're kind of in two different lanes. You know, you miss what was the morning commute full of jokes and games and songs and conversation, but you want to see them fly.
Hyundai is bringing peace of mind to teen driving with available SmartSense safety features and the Hyundai Blue Link app.